Today's video is going to be another Halloween themed one. We are going to be making some sugar cookies. And these are going to be cut out sugar cookies. So each one's going to have a little Halloween design in the middle. We are doing a pumpkin, a witch hat, a haunted house, and a ghost. These are inspired by the Pillsbury sugar cookies that you get seasonal. The recipe will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. We're going to start with our 2 sticks of butter. And then add our granulated sugar to this. And mix it together until it gets all fluffy. As always, the recipe will be in the description box. Crack 1 egg into this mixture and combine well. Then add your vanilla extract and combine well. And then we're going to add our flour to this and then mix that all well until it starts to come together. At this point, I like to use my hand to combine it all well. And you're going to want it to come together like this and forms one dough ball. And then split it into 2, and one we're going to use for the regular cookies, and the other one will be colored for the decorations. So stick that in the fridge while we color our cookie dough. You're going to need white, black, orange, and purple. The orange will be for the pumpkins. Roll that up and stick that in the fridge for a moment. The black will be for the haunted houses. Wrap that up as well and stick that in the fridge. The white will be for the ghosts. Wrap that up, stick it in the fridge. And finally, the purple one will be for the witch hats. Wrap it up and stick that in the fridge as well. Let them chill for about 15 minutes. Flour your surface and bring out your other cookie dough. Roll it out. And you're gonna need a circular cookie cutter about the same size or a little bigger than the cutout cookie cutters. You get your circular cutter and start cutting out cookies from your dough. And then you want to punch out these center parts of where you're going to put your figures in. So here I'm taking out the pumpkin, I'm taking out the ghost on this one. I'll remove the witch hat from this one. And finally, I'll remove the haunted house for this one. Then you're going to get your colored doughs. I'm starting with my orange one to make the pumpkins with it. Roll it out. Punch out your pumpkin, as you can see there. And then transfer your cookies onto a sheet pan with parchment paper and put the center decorative cookie in there. And I just keep repeating this with my other colors, with the ghost, the haunted house, and the witch hat. And again, transfer your cookies onto that sheet pan. Place that center cookie in there. This one's the haunted house, put that there, and then I put the haunted house in the center. And finally, I did the witch hat, place that in the center. And then bake these at 350 degrees for about 12 to 18 minutes. It depends on your oven. And here are those cute little cutout sugar cookies. And that's how easy it is to make those sugar cookies. They're absolutely adorable. They're perfect for a Halloween party, and they're super easy to make. If you want to see pictures of those cookies and everything I've been making, I post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and all those links are down below. You can leave a suggestion in the comments down below if you want to see me do anything in particular. If you want to subscribe to the channel, hit that button down below and the bell as well to be notified when a new video goes up. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and until next time, stay sweet.